Welcome back into the Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with you, and it is raining cats and dogs out there, but it's going to end very shortly. In fact, the latest radar, we'll show you that in just a little bit, is showing that the big storm that moved through the last half hour or so is on its way out of the picture. Speaking of pictures, look at this one. This one's sent in by Dan and Lori Gerber, a young bull moose. They say it's the best photograph of a moose they've ever taken. This was not too far away in North Pole. And again, if you have a photograph to share, by all means, send it to Mike Schultz at KTVF11.com. Our numbers look like this, with rain falling 54 degrees. The high today only 58, the low last night 52. Record high 90 in 1926, 28. Ooh, that's cold. In 1931, sunrise and sunset, 15 hours and 56 minutes, a loss of 7 minutes from yesterday. All right, taking a look at that satellite picture. There's the frontal system that moved through last night and today. It's just about out throughout the picture. In fact, our latest radar, as we zoom in around the Fairbanks area, you can see this big pocket of moisture moving through. That's moving rapidly to the east, and right behind it, nothing showing up on radar, so that's a good sign there. What's going on across the rest of the state? Well, again, you expect lots of rain over southeast Alaska, right on into the Anchorage Bowl. They've had a lot of rain there too. Cloudy skies up and down the west coast, all the way to the North Slope, 33 at Barrow. Fort Yukon, 57 degrees and mostly cloudy skies. Lower 48 weather. Again, very hot temperatures around Salt Lake City, even hotter in Denver. And again, hot temperatures in Dallas, Fort Worth. So the hot temperatures were really continuing across the western half of the country. Even 90 degrees in St. Louis. On the satellite and radar, you can see again a few afternoon showers and thunderstorms across the deep south. Then more activity breaking across the eastern slopes of the Rockies. And the overall picture is calling for once again, the jet stream to remain well to the north, allowing all that hot, humid conditions to move across much of the country, and no break in sight, at least till the early part of next week. All right, back to Alaska for tomorrow. For the northern sections, cloudy skies with fog at Barrow. Rain once again in Nome and scattered clouds in the Fort Yukon area. Here in the interior, we'll look at early morning sunshine, and then that'll be replaced by more clouds and isolated showers possible. Over southeast Alaska, looks like more rain in the forecast for both Juneau and Ketchikan. While over to the southwest, we'll be looking at areas of rain scattered at Bethel, Cold Bay, and Kodiak. So very, very wet across the southwest part of the state. And over the south central sections, showers in Anchorage and Homer. Periods of rain expected for the Valdez area. So here's our forecast for tonight. Doesn't look all that bad. You can see a little chilly, 42 degrees, cloudy with scattered showers into the morning hours. And then tomorrow's forecast looks like I said, mostly sunny early, then some clouds moving in with possible showers, 63 degrees. And the extended forecast, again, calling for showers on Thursday. A better chance of showers for Friday, not too bad for Saturday and Sunday, then more showers possible for Monday. And temperatures, again, cooling off a little bit, but not too uncomfortable. A little chilly tomorrow night. But after that, they're looking at pretty consistent mid-40s with the daytime highs in the low to mid-60s all the way across the board. Lots of rain out there.
I think it's safe to say fall is here.
I think it's safe to say the fires are out now for sure.
Well, yeah.
Possibly.
Yeah, fall is definitely right around the corner.
Okay.
I can see it coming right around the corner.
Thank you, Mike. That will wrap up this edition of the Fairbanks Evening News. As always, we are glad you could join us.
Tonight on NBC Nightly News, in the wake of Newtown, how did a gunman get into a school full of kids in Georgia? That's coming up next with Lester Holt.
You can join us here 6 days a week at 6 and 11 or online anytime at Webster11.com.
And that will do it from all of us here at the News Center. Have a good night, everyone. We'll see you back here at 11.